If you are looking for an awesome 4K digital camera, you're going to want to check this one out. You're going to get massive storage, 16x zoom, and you got the PC camera over here. And then you got the 64MP resolution, 4K HD video, and the autofocus. Comes with everything you need. This is what the camera looks like itself. Right over here, simple on button right over here. This is how we're going to take the pictures here. And we got this nice screen right over here, which is great. And what I like most is this flips around. So I can see exactly myself up here when I am filming myself. You'll see here on the screen. So you're going to see my computer right there, which I really like personally. It makes it super easy. You got an easy delete button here. You could easily go back and forth on these toggle screens to set up everything you want. For Zach setting, you could go wide, you could go in. There's so much this camera could do. The quality on this is absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for a great camera that is easy to use, easy to operate, takes great videos and photos, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.